Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope all of you is always well. Okay, in this video I will continuing the feedback of my trade today. So today I already done 3 trades and luckily, okay, let's say luckily, the all trade is profit, so I'm get the 100% profit today. Yesterday was 66% and the other day was 30%, 33. So it's always some losses, but in this video let's see what is the perspective behind my analysis before I enter the trade. So let's jump into the number one. There is also the video here, but first let's see the screenshot. Okay, so this is the screenshot, and I enter the trade buy in here, buy. So the trend was, the major was already in the uptrend before. This is the formation of the Bollinger Band showing uptrend, but you see before this candle appears in some kind of here, there is some kind of ranging market. Okay, why is that happen? Because the price is already moved in the middle Bollinger Band, even they crossing the 1 deviation to the 2 deviation. Okay, so it's some kind of ranging there, and they make some like trend line. Okay, that's showing also the resistance. So now we get into my entry. What is the basis of my entry? So as I remember, okay, before I enter here the buy option, I was also like showing that not showing, it's like recognizing that this is some consolidation area. Okay, so when the consolidation area happen here, for you now, this is the round number that always my base of the Fibonacci. So I'm using this round number to add Fibonacci. Then here I found this is 38.2, but actually here was like the level of 14.8 Fibonacci level. Okay, and then you have to know that because after the break of the round number, the price has to break the 14. This has to be big candle here. You see, big candle, big candle, big candle, big candle. But in ranging market, the price is always back. Okay, and then here it's some kind of consolidation that I remember. And let me see. So here I remember clearly that I'm adjusting these 3 candles. So this is like bullish candle, and this is like bearish candle. Okay, now I remember. And this is like bullish. Okay, so that is my expectation when I see this one. Okay, this movement, it's like from here to here. Okay, first I really like starting here when opening the chart. So it's like waiting for 6 minutes, okay, 8 minutes, but that is the actual reality. And when I see this candle, what is this candle? This is the bullish hammer. Okay, bullish hammer in this kind of uptrend. It should be after the retracement, of course, because this is the major uptrend. It should be bullish, guys, bullish here. It should be bullish if the trend was still the major trend is still strong, but finally the price got bearish, and this bearish have a lower shadow that not also crossing the wick of the 3 candle. So this is we talk about 3 candle, not 1 candle, 3 candle. And then so this means that this is not so nice selling pressure because the major was up. So this should be the bullish, but the bullish doesn't happen. So why the hammer is fail? Because the result was the bearish one. Why the hammer should be fail? Because that is the area of the ranging or consolidation. Probably there is two possibility in here, so you have to be careful. And then finally, after this bearish happened this bullish, because the opening was here, the closing was there, and then the bullish is upper and lower shadow. So what could happen? Okay, because I see also the EMA that is very nearly each one of it. So this is consolidation. So I wait here because the consolidation, honestly, when I realize that it's a consolidation, I want to enter the trade. Okay, and then happen this one bearish again, you see. So like bullish, bearish, that is the change of color, and then it's the confirmation of consolidation. And suddenly the price got back here bullish, but what I see was from this level. Okay, this is one deviation, this is two deviation, so one deviation move up. Okay, then I find this three bullish candle, but here I'm not entry because I wonder that maybe the consolidation here still happening, and then happen again the bearish in the three next candle. So I just wait here, and then I just already put the Fibonacci line. So this is some kind of level that has to be broken when the price wants to go down. Okay, because this is the bullish, and then this is the 50 EMA. So this kind of candle 1 minute, it's also like a breakout candle, but that is not so strong because it has upper and lower shadow, you see. So I wait here, and this suddenly the price was stopping in here in the level. That means that this is not a fake breakout. In between was the EMA, so it may happen a consolidation here also, or this is the real breakout. Okay, so I just do a call option here from this base of level, and then that was profit. So that is the story. And then here I am using the technique of reading the retracement candle. So this is some kind of retracement candle, guys, when have upper and lower shadow after some kind of trend from the rejection of deviation 1. And if you know that this is some kind of reversal pattern here at the deviation 1, so that is why it's going jump. And because this candle was bullish, so my expectation was it's probably here consolidation, or it will jumping up, but I'm not entering here because this is also not so convincing. You see this week, okay, and it's also can be down, but I don't know. And we have to see in the different perspective for this candlestick. So that is the story of the entry number 1. And honestly, this is the empty zone. Why the empty zone or a dead zone? Why? Because this is between the round number and the level of 23.6. That level is a little bit dangerous, but when it's the trend, that level is good for continuation. So here was a consolidation, then the breakout, then I have to do a call option. Okay, that's number 1, and continue to the number 2, guys. Oh, let's see the video. The first video was here. Okay, I almost get 9 minutes for this explanation. So this is the first entry of my entry. Okay, let's start. I just cut before this recording. It's also record, but it's not so important because I'm not doing anything. And here now I see, because this is a breakout, you see, this is the actual chart when I'm live trade. Okay, so I'm hoping here or expecting the retracement, and it will not break the 38.2, and then it's not breaking, and then I just enter the call option because I'm sure that is some kind of retracement only, because this is already broken. This level was kind of a little bit strong, but maybe only for one candle. Okay, and then it's end up bullish as you see, so it's let fast the movement. Okay, this is bullish. Okay, that's the number one, and the number two was here. So the screenshot is a little bit greater view, okay, but the candle is a little bit small. So here I'm doing a sell option, guys. Why I'm doing a sell option? What is my perspective? Okay, here basically here I read the candlestick. Okay, here I like recording or something like recognizing that the ranging market happened here after this trend. Why the ranging market? Because I read this candlestick. Okay, always with the big candle like this, it's not a trend anymore, guys, it's ranging. And then in the bigger trend, in like the 3 candle, you will see something like inverted bullish hammer. Okay, I saw this one. The second was here. Sorry, the first one. It's like upper and lower shadow like this, but was a bullish, so I'm just wondering that could be a strong bullish retracement. Okay, so in here will be a big one, but here is not. So I'm expecting here the ranging now, and the ranging happen, you see, after this 3 inverted bullish hammer, it's getting like that. So this is not actually the strong trend, because this is not even break this level, the upper side of the inverted bullish hammer. And then after this, of course, after this candle, I'm just expecting the resistance or the support, because if I have to sell, I have to sell here. Okay, so I also put the Fibonacci line. This is the level of 61.8 Fibonacci level based from this round number. Okay, this is the 61.8, so this is resulting something like that. And after this candle, I was wonder if the ranging here or there, or the price can move here, I don't know, but I'm just waiting here. And the next 3 was like that. Okay, and this is again confirming that this is strong level, but I have to make sure in the second candle of this is 3. Okay, so the next 3 was like that. So here I was like, it was like shocking. Why, if this was ranging, why is this not a bearish one, or even a doji with some kind of selling pressure, because this is the strong level of 61.8. And then I'm just wondering there, maybe this is only the faking or some kind of trend still in the strong mode, and then probably they can make a surprise like a tentative candle, the bigger candle in the last. So I just waiting there. And then here I also reading about this candlestick. Okay, so it's like this, because I see some pressure here. You see, what is this? Because you can like mixing the candle from everywhere, like 3 candle, the starting point is like you want if you see some kind of pressure. So here I see some kind of pressure here. It should, if this was ranging, guys, it should be happen this kind of big candle here. Okay, that is my first clue that this is not the bearish, this is still the bullish. So because the next 3 candle was a doji but a bullish, why this is not working a selling pressure in the ranging market? That is not good. And then I'm waiting, and then is appearing this one. Okay, again like a bullish, like a inverted bullish hammer, but again not crossing the level of 61. So in this candlestick, 1, 2, here I'm sure, not I'm sure, I'm pretty much convinced myself that this will be the big one, because like before we read the selling pressure here, okay, selling pressure here, my expectation, and then selling pressure not working, okay, even it's not working, even it's bullish, but it's still close below this level. So I thought this was a selling pressure when the candle closed here, okay, and then after this I just enter sell here just on the level, and the price was like that, doji. It's not what I expected. I'm expecting a big bearish here, because if this was a buying pressure, so why this is not working? Okay, it's something like that. And I just before read the ranging here, and then happened that is the doji, and I'm still profit. Let's see the video, guys. Okay, let's see this like a lucky moment. So you see, this is the actual candle that still not happened the doji, and then I know this was some kind of level here, and if the price not breaking this level or closing below it, it will be a bearish in the next one. But because this is the 61.8, and then I just patient enough, and then I enter a sell option, and then suddenly price goes up, and well, maybe I'm wrong, and I'm just waiting without even doing anything. So I'm just like trust my analysis, but if that was loss and that is the loss and it was profit, then it will be profit. And then I'm waiting, and suddenly at the end it's going down. Maybe the big reason why it's profit because of the 61.8, and the context was still in the doji, which is the it's like the consolidation here. You see, it's not very good for waiting, and then at 1 second last, it's going profit. Okay, that is some kind of luck, but what we can learn here, that before I was read this was ranging around there and there, and after that the candlestick was was a different stage of consolidation. Okay, so the price can happen like uptrend, ranging, okay, and then after the ranging, the price doing consolidation in the upper side of the ranging. It could be because there is the strong level and the pressure was strong, like this one. So this is like against the major, but this was ranging, so I just okay, well, I can do sell option in the ranging market, even in the major trend, because we only need 1 minute candlestick. Okay, that is the number 2. Number 3 was here, guys. It's a little bit of nice, but also this is like the same with the level. So this is the round number. Okay, let's see where is the round number. Here was the round number, and this is the level, like it's the same, like 14.6 Fibonacci level from base of the round number. Okay, let's see just the entry. Okay, this looks like long. Let's see what I'm doing here. Oh, here was the recording that I'm not do anything here, guys, at the end. But here you see, this is some specific process that you need also to understand, and me personally, that I'm entering here, guys. Okay, I'm sell here because this is the level of Fibonacci, and you see what happened after the next 3 candlestick. Here was bullish, okay, it's like that, and then was a doji, guys. It's like a doji here. Okay, so this means at the level inverted bullish hammer like this not working. So when it's not working, what it's the possibility? Sell option. But I see on the first candle it's like still in the upper of the 61, so I'm not convinced. And here again the doji. This is basically the confirmation, guys. This is the selling pressure confirmation, but again this selling pressure is not crossing. Okay, it's still not crossing the 61.8 Fibonacci level. But we also have different option like this one. If this was the inverted bullish hammer, then it's failed, then well, the bullish is not there. Okay, and then we see the first candle here. Okay, that is like gravestone doji. The gravestone doji close in the upper side of this 61.6 Fibonacci level. Okay, so this should be a buying pressure. Why? Because this was 61.8 Fibonacci level. And then why this is not working? That is not in my brain when it's live. Why it's not working? This is the not working buying pressure from this one, the inverted bullish, the gravestone doji bullish. So that means something else happened, or it's really the confirmation of selling pressure. So this happened, guys, very big. Okay, and okay, this is the number 3, I think. Let's see now. Here number 3. Let's see. So I'm already 21 minutes talking only about the 3 trades. Okay, then that is the enter. Okay, and then you see it's really not good. It's in the middle of the opening and the closing of the previous candle. It really was bad because of the lagging. Okay, this is the lagging, guys. So I'm just trying to enter a below, wait down. Okay, wait, yep, I just entered there, but then it's going up. So this technique was the retracement. Okay, reading the retracement of, again here was the 14.6 14.8 Fibonacci level from this base of round number. This is the round number. Okay, so this is happening the 16.8 that has to be broken by this big candlestick. So okay, let's talk about what is my thinking process here. Before I was thinking from here, guys, so even from here, but here I'm just not convincing enough, and here happened a bearish big. So okay, well, maybe the downtrend, I don't know. And then happened this one bullish in like gravestone doji bullish, and that's mean okay, could happen a fake breakout, or it will become a selling pressure to break this one, I don't know. And then I'm waiting that one. Okay, well, could be the still hope, still probability of ranging is there. Okay, so this is could be that next 3 will bearish, or happen a fake breakout and the next will be the bullish candle. Okay, so many things happen here, and then I don't entry anything, and then suddenly the price was closing like this, upper and lower shadow in the next 3 candle. What is this? This is some kind of retracement, guys, because if this was consolidated between this support and this resistance, it should be raised here. If this was a strong breakout, it has to a bullish here, but it's not happen like that. But the possibility also that after the fake breakout they have retracement. So I am just waiting this candlestick not to going down. Okay, this is the deviation 1, and then suddenly this candle happen breaking this level, so that means this was a 3 candle retracement. And then after this, based on my experience in the yesterday, that we have to wait for the retracement here. Yesterday was I just entering here to buy, and now I will waiting here because this is the area of dead zone or empty zone. And then that is happened. I just entry buy here because I believe that is the level of 14.6 can hold, and already have the retracement here. And then I just enter call option, and the candle was pretty good. Okay, so that is, guys, three of my entry, and this is the end of this week. This week what was a success for me for doing only 3 trades per day, not even doing some exercise or doing some over trading. It has to be appreciated for me. Okay, so let's see what's happened next month. Okay, so it's like another next week another 3 weeks, so I get 1 month. Okay, so from there I will know where is my skill. Okay, but again, it has to be the consistency of the amount, consistency of the trading entry. Okay, so we want to consistent profit, and we have to prove that we can also consistent. So maybe that is the point, guys. And then what it's okay, I want to show this. Maybe one of you need it in the next year. Maybe if someone need it, then maybe it's good for the like ideas what have to do to become a trader. Okay, so here this is the last, this is today 24/6/2020, and I'm starting from 33.78, as you know, from the Monday, and now it's going to 39.49. And the first entry today was the concept of retracement candlestick. Okay, but following the major and minor, even this was in the consolidation because the level was in the dead zone. And then the number 2 was a reversal, but reversal is not working properly, and then the price makes some surprise or tentative candle doji. And then here the number 3 was again a retracement technique. So I read here the technique, write the technique. The trend is, what is the trend, what is the level. Okay, so what is the pattern. Okay, and then what is the entry point. This was bad, good. And maybe with this we have some kind of review or summary in our head that we have to change in here, we have to change in here, because trading is related to all possibility, because the entry can influence, the level can influence, the candlestick can influence the result, the trend can influence. So it's like mixing all of the situation, guys. And this is the probably the zone. If was in the dead zone, it was a bad idea to entry, but in 1 minute it's depend on someone. And there is the suggestion. Okay, number 2 suggestion is pay attention to the tentative candle. Okay, if you like see the uptrend is so strong, even there is no bearish there, then be careful with this tentative, because we see the weak candle, but the price can move once again, making a big bullish, and then they happen a reversal. Before I was so many happen in that situation. And then number 3, pay attention to the possible consolidation like this in the entry dead zone. Okay, So that was the summary, and then it's still green. Okay, it's still good. Okay, thank you guys. This is the end of the week 9, and then we will do the trade again in the next Monday, because Saturday and Monday, next Sunday, Saturday and Sunday we off to trade because there is no real market. Okay, thank you guys. I hope you enjoy my video. Bye bye.